And good afternoon. I'm Tracy Sinclair. With me, of course, is our political reporter and one of our investigative team, Will Courtney. And today we're talking about the Anchorage Neighborhood Health Center is investigating whether there was a data breach at their organization. Kind of tell us what we do know.
Sure. So we've reached out to the Anchorage Neighborhood Health Center after we heard these kind of rumors and tips from various both credible and uncredible sources that there was a data breach affecting 10,000 Alaskans. And so we asked the question, is there a data breach? And we didn't get a lot of answers at first, but then recently things have transpired, and now the Anchorage Neighborhood Health Center is saying they're investigating these allegations. They're investigating with, with law enforcement and national cybersecurity experts. So that's kind of where we stand on what we know now. I will say we have tried to reach out to members who say they have been impacted. And we actually got to reach out to one. We're going to call her Elizabeth.
Okay.
She is not wanting to give her full name to us just because she's worried that they might compromise her information. She says that the hacker group actually emailed her, and in that email had information like her social security number, her address, her phone number, her email address, a lot of her private information, which she said was accurate too. And we got a hold of that information to verify it on our own terms as well.
And so were they asking of anything from her with this? Or is it just saying, by the way, we got this?
Sure. So, I mean,
or do we know? Maybe we don't know yet.
It's a little bit vague, and I think we're going to be a little bit hesitant on what we want to say these hackers are trying to get out of this. That's something that we need to verify ourselves to make sure we're not spreading a message that is not to be spread, right? We're really trying to see how many people are impacted, the reality of this impact. And to do that, we're reaching out to other sources outside of just the Anchorage Neighborhood Health Center as well. We've reached out to the FBI, we've reached out to APD. The FBI can neither confirm nor deny they are investigating. That's pretty standard. It's not anything crazy, but that's not a no as well. So there's a potential there. APD has not returned multiple attempts for comment. We're trying to see what's the case with that. Elizabeth did say she did file a report with the APD after our conversation.
And then has the Anchorage Neighborhood Health Center, have they sent out letters to people that might be affected? Did Elizabeth get a letter from them saying, because I know I've been part of those, your data might have been breached notifications before, and have they done that?
Yeah, so Elizabeth says she did.
Okay.
And she sent over that information as well. We'll have it published on our full article. If it's not already published now, it'll be published shortly. So she said she did, and we asked the Neighborhood Health Center, is it accurate? Is this message from Melissa Pearl, who I believe is the director of risk? I don't know the exact title off the top of my head, unfortunately, but Melissa Pearl is her name, and that's what the email was addressed to. We asked if that was true, and they were not able to confirm nor deny its accuracy. So we have what Elizabeth said she was provided. We asked the Neighborhood Health Center if those are accurate, and they have not been able to confirm nor deny yet. Okay,
so basically we don't know a lot right now, but we do have, there is an allegation that there's been a data breach at a local Anchorage healthcare provider. And so we will keep tracking the story. Will, as you heard, is made out a lot of calls and has put in a lot of inquiries. And so hopefully we will hear back from some of these people and start gathering more information. We want to thank you so much for joining us. And of course, go to our website. If you aren't already there, you might be watching us there. Go to our website and watch at 4, 5, 6, and 10 tonight, 11 if you happen to be in Fairbanks. And we will have the latest information then.